Amatemwa ya form 4 akorwo mwakoyo twakorire gaciengia abantu baminto ntonyoreti malpractice nyinge unakonye ayakoretwa matemwa maya togocha ukora Friday ninje ndwe report yogoteba sa makosa akorekanete n'abantu bagwatirwe natitenga batebinga ekero muntu akoiba matemu nere bwego kuchikubwa tutari community sawa ulio bwata magosa nere bwego kubwatwa ende kigambiro toibona nenainwe eliegere makosa aitache kogendera koba kuchimutwe egento gya kabere ebrasi ebya grade 9 tokorosi chisukuru goeta Jongo eta Kenya ngimakorigere ringe birasi ebi yabere tiare eliegera abana baminto bagacho kwenda grade 9 etoke nge birasi ndiro ras bagosoma toibona nenainwe n'abari murabara butwalika 46,000 na nento tolika abande 20,000 elinda abantu baminto abana baitokera bari skuru mbatandika ngabari mbakora thiki mbaiyo ebitabo byose pia abana aba grade 8 grade 7 grade 9 byakire skuru kero mwana akonye wale gitabo kiaye muiborite yojo tabunga gore gitabo toibona nenainwe egasnere ito kora mutu sabere elinde elio togendreri Kenya mutwe. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you, Donya, for the good work you're doing, and I want to state once again that I'm ready to support you, and I'm ready to support our leaders from Kisii. We are going to work together. We've been shown the way. Let us join up together so that we can bring development to our people, because they elected us or we've been given positions for purposes of helping the people. So we must always ensure that whatever we are doing it for the benefit of the public. I want to thank you again for the good job you are doing. God bless you.